Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kajala iba Preston Tunsong negasngi ilakan taj ba ampen kan ria ya ke head office jong ke North Eastern Electric Power Corporation NIPCO ke badan hasilong Segohati UMLA ke sang TMC jong ke liang persya uba sang pliang ula kena bakat kum ke order bela penmi ke arusan terik ujeliu lightly ki office bahe kan tobi ke executive director of operation and maintenance, director of contract and procurement, but director of corporate project monitoring ringkat ke section of information and technology and finance wing kila syak penkriya no nasyalong Segohati utensong ulang ba ula syim ya karai ringkat bat kibor penyaj bahakli do hadin baka kubor balami balapenmi lang ba kilat pathai hadin ba uba sang pliang ula kedau ba managing director jong kanipko umsyong haslong bat kani kam thau baka head office kila syak penkriya no Segohati utensong ulang ba kanipko kadon laka office besipor ke bat kam man laki por Nagahati kabakmi yaki projek badang penterekam kaba kidon ha Arunachal Pradesh bat kiwe ki jelah kathan ste lami ngi.
The question of shifting the head office of NIPCO does not at all arise. Point number one. Number two, sir, yes, a branch office or transit camp office, some sort of, was created in Guwahati, and that also because of the ideal place for monitoring the ongoing projects that they have in Arunachal Pradesh and in other parts of the northeastern state. So therefore they do have that office. But as far as head office is concerned, there is no intention at all from the highest authority or from the NIPCO management to shift the office from Shillong.
UMLA ke Kongres na West Shillong Constituency ubala syak